Greetings and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all doing well. Good news guys, RootHide is now built into or integrated into the dopamine jailbreak rootless, which in easy words is a jailbreak detection bypass cooked into the dopamine jailbreak rootless, so that you don't have to worry about jailbreak detection in apps that, for example, do not allow you to use an app while you are jailbroken. So using this, you will be able to enjoy your apps while jailbroken, which do not work otherwise due to jailbreak detection. And in this video, I will briefly show you how to install it and use it. First of all guys, go to the RootHide dev on Twitter and you will see this post where you can get to the official GitHub page for RootHide. It is completely free for everybody. Now if you scroll down, you will see the release right here. You can install the TIPA file using troll store, which I will show you that in a second. Like for example, I have opened the RootHide GitHub page on my iPhone. Now I will simply get to releases and get the TIPA file from here. Then you must have troll store installed. I will link the troll store installation guide in the description. Open it and then hit this plus button, install IPA file. From here, select the dopamine RootHide file and you will see this dialog. Hit install and there you go. You will see RootHide and here you will see the dopamine icon and you can see it is now installed. Open it and then hit the jailbreak button to jailbreak your device with RootHide Dopamine. Now guys, the user instructions are easy to follow. You will see that after a successful jailbreak, you will see the RootHide Manager app on your home screen. As you can see it in this screenshot, we have the RootHide app here. And then from here, you will select the apps that do not work while you are jailbroken. So simply you can blacklist them from here, which will then not be able to detect the jailbreak. It is so simple to use. So you can see the blacklist right here. Simply select the apps from here and there you go. Now as for the tweaks working, some tweaks has been ported to support RootHide. So slowly more tweaks will be converted to support the rootless RootHide. Now a little troubleshooting. So if you use RootHide and you see this message, please make sure that you have blacklisted the app, plus you use var clean from within the RootHide Manager app, and then it will work. Now guys, I really hope to see RootHide integrated into jailbreaks such as the Pelrin jailbreak or Taurin jailbreak, where on Taurin you will be able to jailbreak your device up to 14.8.1 on all your devices. And as you know, on Pelrin you can be jailbroken on all your A11 and lower devices for a lifetime. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.